Greetings everyone, my name is Sharab Thakur and I'm back with another video in which today I'm going to explain you what Morse code is. So in this video we'll see what Morse code is and how it works, and at last we'll see how we can build a code for our name using Morse code. So let's get ahead. We all communicate with each other through our natural sensors, for example, with tongue or gestures. The exciting part starts when you want to share secret information to someone. But the question is, how will you do it? The answer lies in how you transmit information in such a way that even if a third person looks at the message, he won't be able to understand until and unless he finds a key. For this purpose, we use Morse code communication. So, the proper definition for Morse code is that a Morse code is a way of communication to pass information which is done by representing original letters to combination of dot and dashes. There is a dedicated Morse code chart which has a unique key for every alphabet, which we can see in the next slide. So this is the Morse code chart which I was talking about. As now you have a brief idea about how Morse code works and what it is all about, so let's go to the Arduino IDE sketch where I have built the code for my name. So here is my code which I have prepared for my name with the help of Morse code. So let's see how we have implemented Morse code in it and how it works. So as we move ahead, first we can see the void setup function in which we have initialized the digital pin as an output. After that, we have made two functions for the Morse dot to work and for the Morse dash. And moving ahead to the void loop, you can see different combination of dots and dashes for different alphabets in my name. And this is how we will implement it. For example, for S, you can see three dots, so we will write Morse dot, Morse dot, Morse dot, and delay. It can be adjusted, the delay can be adjusted according to your needs as well. The same thing will be done for different letters with different combinations. And after looking it, let's save it, verify. Verification and uploading might take some time, but it will be working. Verification done. Let's upload it. Here we go. Uploading done. So after this, I'll show you the footage of how the Arduino Nano was working for my name.